Okay, let's start the day and looking for, so our first step is Wat Hat Nyai, the reclining Buddha. Punta tayo dun sa reclining Buddha. So yun yung ating first stop. Instead going to Krabi, we are going to Hat. We are exploring Hat Chai first. Okay, start. Ito yung bus terminal. So this is the bus terminal. So this is outside the bus terminal. I'm in the gate 1, I think. So this is the bus terminal. So here where I book my Grab. My Grab is 85 pesos from here to my first stop. So let's go. Bye muna. Okay, this is our first stop. So dito na ako sa loob. This is what's inside. So, hanapin natin yung reclining Buddha. So, ikutin natin to. First, let's walk here. Okay, so this is what's inside the temple. So, I think it's inside there. So, we will see where is it. So, let's get inside of it first. I think. Oh. So this is so here is the big reclining Buddha. So later we will go there, but first we'll go to the other temple. Okay. So let's go first here. I cannot read their language because it's all written in Thai. So I don't know Thai. So I'm just relying to what I see. So this is what we see here. So this is the first. This is the first one. Okay, so I don't know if we can get inside here, but this is the first one. You see? Let's see what's inside. Okay. So this is the first one. So before we go to the reclining Buddha, this is the first one that we see. Elephant, the most famous one here in Thailand. You will see in every temple that we go, they have elephants. Yeah, the last time I go is in, I don't know what's that place, but there's also have an elephant. So this is one of it. So let's go inside and have a look what's inside. Okay, so this is what's inside. This is what's inside. You will see that inside so many. So this is one of the places, one of the things you do here. Okay, so now we are going to the big Buddha. Okay, so now let's go to the big reclining Buddha. Okay, so we can go inside, but we need to remove our shoes. So let's go inside. So you see, we'll go there. Okay, this is the chapel. So let's go inside. My shoes was okay. Let's go inside the temple. So this is what you see inside. Here, then we walk. Okay, this is inside the big temple Buddha. Okay, so this is what we see. Let's go inside. So this is under the big Buddha. So we do this. Okay, so this is what's inside.
Yeah. Can you look in the
so I donate and get this. Okay, so even though this is not my belief, you must try. You just try. So I don't know how to do this, but I think this. So yan, nagbigay galang po tayo. Even we have different beliefs, I still respect. Yeah. Because respecting is very good. And so this is what you see here under the big Buddha. Thank you.
Wait, if you wanna.
Yeah. So this is what you see inside here. I think this is a living lagayan ng mga, you see? Yeah, I think. So let's go here. Okay, so this is what's outside under the Buddha. So I believe I give respect. Yeah, although that's not my belief, I still, yeah, I'm a Christian, Catholic. So still I give respect to other, because that's what we need in every day. Yeah, give respect to everything that we do. Now palabas na ako dito sa Big Buddha. So as much as I wanted, yeah. So this is the feet part of the Big Buddha. See? And this is the body, and that is the body, and this is the head of the Buddha. So this is a great experience, and yeah, I believe I pay my respect right. Yeah, I believe, even though I don't know what to say when I go inside and give respect. I'm just saying my respect. This is all what you see inside here in Wat Hat Nyai Nai Temple. Wat Hat Yai Nai Temple. So this is all the temple that you see inside. Okay, and so that's our up for this place, I think. Yeah, so we go inside the big temple, the big reclining Buddha. So this is Batam, Thailand. So I think there's another one temple in there, so let's see if we can go. How can we go there? But for now, this is what you see inside. Okay. Okay, for now we will go outside and look for another place to go, but I think I see here a market outside, so let's see what's outside. Here is the market. I don't know if I can eat here. I think this is a market, yeah. This is a market outside the temple. So we walk. Yeah, we walk. This is a market. Oh, let's go inside. So this is a market here in the temple. When you go outside, you will see market. The fish vendor. Looks Philippines also. Looks like that you are in the Philippines also. So yeah, this is the mango, banana. So you will see so many motorbike here. In Thailand, there are so many motorbikes. So this is all the food that you see here in the market when you go outside. When I go outside, it's already the road. So I think this is all what you see here. They're all alive. Okay, so bye-bye for now. See you on the next place that I will go. Now I'm outside the road here in Wat Hat Yai Nai Temple. Nasa labas ako ng daan. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako next, pero maghahanap muna tayo ng kakainan. So we will look for food. Cannot see any food here. So yeah, food store. I cannot see anything. Maybe there. There is 7-Eleven there. 7-Eleven again. Okay. So we will go upstairs, up the footbridge, okay, to go to another road. Okay. Let's see what you see. This is what you see upstairs. It's a typical footbridge like in the Philippines. But this one much better because they have lightning, I think, and a good shelter when there is a rain. So mas maganda. So I think 7-Eleven tayo. Okay, so it's a typical footbridge only. My knees hurt. Okay, maybe I'm old, but it's okay. I will try to share to you the location and the places that I've been going. Then for you to appreciate Thailand when you go here and when you come here in Hat Yai. For now, we're here in Hat Yai. Maybe next month, next month or next year. Next year maybe another place. Not only in Hat Yai, but for today, we're here in Hat Yai. Okay, so let's enjoy first and look for our food. Maybe so this is what I eat. So this is the food here, dumpling, and this one I eat. So let's eat. Okay, let's try this. What's inside of this? A pork?
Chicken.
This chicken. And I try one of these also. So this is my food. And I try this one. Chicken. Try this one and this shrimp. Okay, so let's eat. So these are my food. This made for chicken. Para siyang nasabi ko. Siopaw, pero taba. So chicken, with hot dog, all chicken. And then this is the sauce. And I try the shrimp. What's this? Shomai. Let's eat. So this is all in all 30 baht, 20 and 20. So less than 100 baht. So very cheap. Very cheap, and I think it will be full already with this kind of food. This is cafe. See, I cannot read their language. I cannot read what's written on the board because all are written in Thailand language. Yeah. Napaka bihira na makakita ka na nakasulat is all English with Thai definition, but this one all written in Thailand. So let's eat. So I try this and then I try this one. Let's try. Para siyang in the Philippines siopaw. So this is the let's try. Oh, bye-bye. So time check already 10:23. 10:23 and I'm waiting for my Grab. So I book a Grab for another temple to go. I'm here near in the Wat Hat Yai Nai. So after eating, I eat first. So let's go to another place. That is the entrance here in what place is this? That is the entrance. So this is the place. Yeah, you see that, and you see that temple. Yeah. Okay, there. Kung saan tayo pupunta. Okay. See you. Yeah, this is the Wat Kok Saman Kun Temple. So this is what you see inside there. And there. So let's go. I think many people here. I don't know if there is an entrance. I think there is an entrance fee. So let's go inside. We're here, so we need to see what's inside the Wat Praprang Samyot. I don't know what's the meaning. I don't know if that's the name or what, because all written in Thai. So price is 60 baht per person. So I will pay for the 60 baht. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, I pay 60 baht. So let's go inside of this beautiful temple. Yeah, so let's see what's inside the temple. Okay, so this is the entrance of the temple. So I give this and then I go inside the temple.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Welcome.
Good morning.
Morning.
So this is what you see inside the temple. Okay, so later we will go inside. Later we will go, but for now let's check. Let's see. Yeah. So this is the temple. Okay, should I go live? Yeah. So many people are taking pictures. Yeah. Yeah, you see? They are all taking pictures. Okay, let's go upstairs and see what's inside the temple. This is very good, ah. This is very good. Okay. So, ayan. Nabad ko yung shoes ko before I go upstairs. So, there is happening here. So, let's go. Okay na. Let's go inside the temple. Okay. Thank you. So this is it. Let's go inside. Sorry. So this is what you see inside. Okay. This is what's inside the temple. So very good. You see. This place is very good. So you know, you see, so this place is very good. Okay, you see what's inside. They are taking photos. I don't know what's again. So they are. Yeah. This good. This place is very good. Okay. The place is beautiful. Yeah. You see, this is how I don't know. I can hindi ko ma-pronounce ang pangalan. So this is. I think Instagrammable pictures, so that's why so many people out here wearing the clothes and taking a pictures, because this is a Instagrammable and worth it to take a picture. You see, the place is very good. This is another temple that I visited here in Thailand, the second temple. So this is an Instagrammable, worth it. So when you go inside, this is what you see. Yeah. When you go inside, this is what you see. So many Buddha. And then this is the architecture. So good. And this is the hallway. So many people taking pictures here. Yeah. So we will not go at the other side because it's almost the same. So what you see in this side, you will see at the other side. So this is the architecture of this building. Okay. So this is the Wat Kok Samankung temple. So yeah. So you see the whole of it. See? This is the architecture of this temple. Very good. So this is very, very good. Architecture is good. Okay. So I hope you enjoy. I'm visiting here. Bye. Okay, let's go outside first and buy drinks. Because there's 7-Eleven outside. Always there's 7-Eleven everywhere you go. There's a 7-Eleven. Yeah. Here in Thailand, you always see 7-Eleven wherever you go. So, I'm going out now. And this is a wonderful experience again here in Thailand. So, I'm exiting now. So, this is... you will see so many temples here. Even if it is not, you will see so many temples in Thailand, and this is one of those. Okay? So that is the 7-Eleven. So you buy anything to drink. Okay? Bye. Okay. Okay, let's go inside to Wat Chuchang Temple. So this is the entrance. I don't know if there is an entrance fee. So this is where we go. Wat Chuchang Temple. So we will explore inside. We will just explore inside and then look for anything. Okay, so I don't know what's this mean because it's written in Thai and Chinese, but I need to remove my shoes again because this is a sacred place to them. So every sacred place here in Thailand need to remove the shoes. I remove my shoes. Wait. And then I go. So I don't have shoes. I just go inside. It's inside this. So this. The offerings here. So this is the place. Okay. You see. This is a Chinese place here in Thailand. This is a Chinese place. So let's see what's inside. Oh, they're building it. I think I cannot go upstairs. So just here only. Okay. So I'm going upstairs. Let us see what's up in there. So this is the second floor of the temple, the Wat Chuchang Temple. So this is the second floor. Yes. Oh, very dim. Let's go upstairs. Let us see what's up. So this is the upstairs. This is the upstairs of the temple. Let's see what's behind. Okay. Oh, nothing here. So I think let's go inside. So this is what's inside the temple. You see that? You see? Okay. So may nagtitake ng picture. Ayan, so let's go here. Let's go outside. So can I go outside? I think let's go outside. So this is the outside of the temple. Okay. I think let's go upstairs again. This is the outside of the temple. Let's go upstairs to see what's up in there. Oh, oh yes, this is beautiful. You see how beautiful it is. You see. You see the beauty. You see the beauty of the temple. This is the upper part of the temple. Okay, so we go upstairs to see what's up there. Oh, beautiful. You see this? Here is very beautiful. You see the beauty of the temple. This is very big. Oh yeah, this is very big. This is what the temple, I mean the rooftop of the temple. Yes. And this is what you see. How beautiful the temple is. Yeah. I watched this only on the video, but look at how beautiful it is. Yes, this is very beautiful. Yeah. I don't regret coming here because it's very beautiful here. You see the view? Although it's, I think, will rain, but it's okay. Yeah. You see how it is. Let's go inside. This is what you see inside. Yeah. This is what you see inside the temple. Okay. This is what's inside the temple. Okay, I think I need to go down because it's raining. Yeah. It's raining. I will go down. Okay. So that is the upper part of this temple. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay. Let's go down. Okay, let's go down.